Hello, my name is Susan Pratt, and I am the Research Coordinator for the School of Business, IT, and Management. Thank you for allowing me a few minutes on your agenda to deliver an update about applied research at Durham College. In this presentation, I'm going to share information about some of the applied research activities happening at the college and invite you to think about challenges at your organization that could be resolved through applied research undertaken with the support of ORSI, the college's Office of Research Services, Innovation, and Entrepreneurship. What is applied research and how is it different from basic research? This image helps answer that question. I'm also going to answer this question by providing an example of a basic research question about AI and an applied research question about AI. A basic research question about artificial intelligence might be, what are some of the ways IT support technicians use AI to improve the help desk experience for customers? To answer the question, a researcher might review what's been written in various IT journals, interview IT support technicians to hear the problems they encounter and their suggestions, and review commercially available IT help desk applications that use AI. Then, the researcher might analyze and evaluate what they learned and write a report that highlights innovative ideas and best practices. They might communicate the results of their research by writing an article, identifying gaps, and suggesting next steps to consider when developing future applications. An applied research question about AI might be, does the use of an AI-enabled help desk application improve student satisfaction at the Durham College IT help desk? To answer the question, the researcher might create an AI-enabled help desk application and compare student satisfaction at the DC IT help desk with the old system and the new AI-enabled system. This research might solve a practical problem, student frustration, and have specific commercial objectives. Happy students who give the IT help desk a great rating on the Key Performance Indicator, or KPI, survey, which impacts college funding. At this time, I invite you to pause the video to hear about one or two applied research activities at the college that involve the School of Business, IT, and Management. Now I'm going to share information about the services available through ORSI, the college's research department, to support applied research projects, as well as details about some of the research that's in progress and incomplete. ORSI's areas of applied research expertise fall into these three areas. If you have an applied research idea that falls into one of these areas, you might be able to take advantage of ORSI's staff and faculty expertise, state-of-the-art facilities and platforms, student talent, and access to funding. To support advancing agriculture, agribusiness, and tourism, we have the Center for Craft Brewing and Innovation. This space is located at the Gallon Weston Center for Food in Whitby. It opened in 2018. 2020-21 was a slow year for the CCBI as researchers lost access to the facility during parts of the pandemic, and many craft breweries started producing hand sanitizer instead of beer during the early months of COVID. To support enabling technologies of the future, ORSI has established a hub, a center, and a studio. The AI Hub is ORSI's most well-known research service. It sees the most activity, projects, staff and student involvement, industry and community partnerships, and funding. It was the first space on campus dedicated to applied research projects. The AI Hub engages with existing businesses and startup ventures utilizing advanced AI techniques and solutions to address practical business problems. The business solutions address core business needs, including enhancing sales processes and creating revenue growth through AI-based sales systems, establishing, measuring, and improving customer sentiment, engagement, and market segment performance, and developing AI-based personalization and customized product and service delivery systems. The AI Hub has been funded by numerous grants, including a significant $2 million National Sciences and Engineering Research Council grant. Some current and past BITM faculty involved with the AI Hub include Sam Platty, Amit Miraj, Danny Ainig, Andrew Main, and Stephen Forbes. A significant number of BITM students, 10 plus, are hired each semester to work as research assistants at the AI Hub. For a list of in-progress and completed projects listed by area of expertise, please visit the ORSI website. Another hub that supports ORSI's Enabling Technologies of the Future area of expertise is the Center for Cybersecurity Innovation. This center was launched in March 2020, a week before the first COVID lockdown. The center can support both cybersecurity companies who offer services, as well as companies in any sector that need to protect infrastructure, systems, client data. Some current and past BITM faculty involved with the Center for Cybersecurity Innovation include Ruba Al-Omeri, Rukmani Rama Subarela Alu, Suquant Sagar, and Danny Ainig. The MR Studio also supports ORSI's Enabling Technology of the Future area of expertise. It was developed with advice and input from the School of Media Arts and Design. Space in this facility is used for applied research as well as teaching in the Game Art program. It has a Capture Live system, which is one of only 3 or 4 in all of Canada, which is a markerless motion capture system, meaning actors on the stage don't need to wear devices in order to be identified by the cameras. This results in faster productions, allows actors to be more lifelike and comfortable, and provides more flexibility in what can be done in the studio. It was launched in January 2020. This project has netted over $300,000 in funding from the National Research Council. Some of the applied research projects happening at the MRC studio include work with gaming studios, a horse riding game where gamers hold the reins, which will be installed at racetracks. You can check out a video on ORSI's MTC Studio webpage to learn more about this project. The Social Impact Hub is ORSI's newest research center, which supports applied research projects that target the Cultivating Healthy Lives and Resilient Communities area of expertise. Social innovation projects seek to identify creative solutions to complex social problems through leading-edge applied research projects and initiatives. Much of this funding has come from CSIF, College and Community Innovation Fund. Completed social innovation applied research projects include supports for parents with intellectual disabilities, co-design of a youth-led housing hub, and Indigenous public service announcements for Durham District School Board students. There are other areas where applied research is happening at the college that don't align directly with one of the centers or hubs. Partners in the community and industry are integral to applied research projects. Their experience informs the research and ensures that the outcomes of research add value and can be applied to solve problems in a practical way. This link with the community or industry mobilizes the research to take it beyond academia. I invite you to pause this presentation and take a few moments to think about research ideas, topics, or problems in your organization. What does your organization want or need to know about this idea, topic, or problem? Is your organization involved with ORSI? Please share your idea or details about your current research with ORSI with the members of the PAC. And then, after you've done this, Please consider some of the ideas shared by PAC members. Could they be explored or solved in such a way to achieve a commercial objective or solve a social problem? If so, your PAC might have an applied research idea. If you would like to share your ideas or learn more about applied research activities happening at Durham College, please visit the ORSI web pages on the college website or contact me at my email address. Thank you very much for your time.